Good morning, students and families of SBS. So as iPads have gone home, we are thinking you probably want to set these up on your home networks first. That's going to be one of the first things you want to do with these iPads. And if the person that usually helps you with tech is not at home or with you, we think this video might help you follow those steps quickly. It's pretty simple. In your iPad, you want to look for your settings app. It looks like a little square here with the word settings on it. By the way, this red dot that you see with a circle, that's pretty much going to be our finger today, so you can see where I'm poking here. So click on settings. In settings, you have a long menu of choices to the left. On the very top, you're going to see airplane mode and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Make sure your airplane mode is, of course, turned off. Click on Wi-Fi with your finger. Tap on there. And look for your home Wi-Fi's name. So for today's example, I named the Wi-Fi here at home SBS Family Wi-Fi. So that would be the name of your Wi-Fi at home. Yours, of course, will be a different name that adults have set up at your house. Click on that, and you want to put in your password. For today's example, I used a pretty simple and familiar password. Once you have your password, make sure all characters are correct in there. Sometimes there's capitals or strange symbols. You want to make sure you get all that right. You're going to click on Join right up here. Click on Join. And that's it. Your iPad will now remember your Wi-Fi at home. If you've done this correctly, your Wi-Fi that you connected to will have a blue check mark right there next to the word. And that's it. That's all you need to do. You can go back to your home screen. Keep this iPad always connected to your home Wi-Fi. And when you're not using it, keep it plugged in. Because every once in a while from school, we'll be sending apps or updates your way. And by making sure you're on the Wi-Fi and plugged in, we can do that effectively. All right, that's the end of our video. Good job.